In this video, we test our server that it's running right, that is running correctly. So in terminal, let's run our server npm run dev and let's create a route get method request response and let's send in our response welcome to the to do app. Let's save the file and we need to download and install Postman to test our API. So go to the browser and search for download Postman. Go to www.postman.com, click on it. To download Postman, you can download Postman for Windows from this link, and for Mac user they can download Postman from this link. Once you download that, you need to open that setup. Once you open that setup, you can create a new collection with this plus sign where you can store different requests related to this project. So click on it and you can name the collection. So in my case it is a to-do list app. Press enter and in that collection we can create a new request which is, let me test. You can name it whatever you want. I name it a test and it will be a get request. HTTP localhost and it will be localhost 5000 and in header body select raw and in JSON and in header accept value in application JSON. So we have getting an error, that is because I have changed the port to 5001. So let's change the port 5001 and send the request now. Accept application JSON, send the request and in body select raw JSON. So we have getting an error, that is because we did not run our server to update those changes. So let's stop the server, run our server again. Now go to Postman and send the request now. As you can see, the string that we pass, welcome to the to-do app, is sent. Let's go to browser and search for $5,001, press enter, and you can see our welcome to the to-do app string is shown in our web page. So we test our route. In the next video, we are going to set up our function that help us to connect with our MongoDB. I will see you in the next video.